So in the previous video we have created this scene and we have edited the text as well as uploaded our logo. Now we are going to work on the style. If I select the style part, I am having these options. The first is look, the second is transition, and third is font. In the look part you can have 3D or a flat look. So I am selecting the 3D look. The next option is the transition part. In the transition, you can have simple transitions, liquid transitions, 3D transitions, and no transitions. I'm selecting the liquid transitions. What does this transitions means? It means that when I go from one scene to another scene, how that scene should look alike. You want these kind of liquid transitions to go one scene to another, or you can have these 3D transitions. So let us suppose we have selected the 3D transitions. The next option is the font option. If you want to change the font option available here, but it again says that for changing the font, we need to have one of the subscription plan. So we are ignoring this part and we are moving towards the next part, which is the color part. Right now, the preset color is this, which is available here. You can preview colors on this scene. But I want something as a dark theme. So you can select these options. See, like this. You can have this, you can have this, or this, or this. So I'll select this fourth option, which is quite colorful. Or you can have some custom colors according to your choice. This is the primary text color. This is the background 1, background 2, transition 1, 2, 3, 4, and secondary text. So in this way, you can have your colors part. The fourth and the major important step is the music part. In Render Forest videos, you can give your voice as well as music. Yes, the best part is we can give our own voice to our video. So for this, first of all, I am going to select one of the music available here in the list. These are all the options available in the Render Forest. You can select any of the music of your choice and apply that on your scene. For example, this logo that inspires. If you think that this is the perfect music for your first slide, you have to press this plus sign. Once you did this, this music has been added here. But my scene is for 10 seconds and music is only for 7 seconds. So you can have this again, you can add it. So I'm having the same music twice in my slide. The second option is adding voiceover. How to give voiceover? Voiceover means that I am going to give my voice in this video. So for this, I'll select the add voiceover part and it will tell me the option either I can upload some voiceover or I can record my voiceover. So here I'm going to record my voiceover. Select this. You are having this recording part. It will say please allow your microphone. Select allow and here you will redirect it towards this. Once I'll start here, I can see anything which I want to have in my video first scene. So I'll select welcome everyone. Greetings from Snatam Dharam College, Ambala Kent. See, my voiceover has been placed here, has been recorded. You can listen it. Welcome everyone. Greetings from Snatam Dharam College, Ambala Kent. If you feel that this voiceover is correct, you can save it. Here I'm going to save it with the name as scene1.mp3. Once I'll save it, it gets saved in the Render Forest area. Now, this voiceover has not been updated here as my first screen. So you have to select this plus sign. This will get added here. Now, if you play this, Welcome everyone. Greetings from Snatambram College, Ambala Kent. Now if you feel that music portion is very loud and your voiceover is slow, you can change it by selecting this. You can select this percentage and you can scroll left or right to have your music part. Welcome everyone. Greetings from Snatambram College, Ambala Kent. So in this way, I have added the music as well as the voiceover in my video. If you feel that this music is not good, you can change it. Fine, you can select any other. For this, you have to cross this. That is, you are deleting this, and now you can have this added in your music part. Fine. So you can have. Welcome everyone. Greetings from Snatambram College, Ambala Kent. So in this way, my first scene has been created. I'm not going to the preview part because for previewing this video, I have to complete my video first. So in the next video, we are going to add few more scenes and then we can have voiceover for them and then we can preview our final product of our video. Stay tuned.